Replacing the windows in your Little Rock home is a significant decision that impacts your property's appearance, energy efficiency, and overall value. While standard windows may seem like a convenient option, custom window replacement offers distinct advantages that are worth considering. Tailored specifically to your home's needs, custom windows can enhance everything from curb appeal to comfort, making them the best choice for homeowners in Little Rock. Here's why custom window replacement stands out as the superior option for your home. Perfect fit for your home's unique architecture. Every home in Little Rock is different. From charming older homes in historic districts to modern new builds, each property has its own architectural style and dimensions. One of the primary benefits of custom window replacement is that the windows are made to precisely fit your home's unique specifications. Standard, off-the-shelf windows are designed to fit typical sizes, but homes with irregular window shapes or dimensions may require extensive modifications for installation, which can be costly and time-consuming. With custom windows, you avoid the need for modifications or adjustments. The windows are designed specifically for your home, ensuring a seamless fit that not only looks great but also improves insulation and energy efficiency. Enhanced energy efficiency. Little Rock experiences a wide range of temperatures throughout the year, from hot and humid summers to cooler winter months. Having energy-efficient windows is essential for keeping your home comfortable while also keeping utility costs in check. Custom windows allow you to choose advanced features like low-E glass, multiple panes, and gas-filled windows, which provide superior insulation. Since custom windows are built to fit your home's specific openings, they help eliminate gaps and drafts that can lead to heat loss in winter or unwanted heat gain in summer. By ensuring that the windows are tightly sealed and properly installed, custom window replacement significantly improves your home's energy efficiency, reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems and ultimately lowering your energy bills. Improved home security. The safety of your home and family is a top priority, and your windows play a crucial role in ensuring that security. Custom window replacement offers enhanced security features, allowing you to select durable materials, reinforced glass, and advanced locking systems that make your home more secure. Custom windows can be fitted with impact-resistant glass, which provides added protection against break-ins or severe weather conditions like storms. This is especially important in Little Rock, where occasional storms can bring high winds and flying debris. The ability to customize your windows with high-performance materials ensures that your home remains protected, no matter the situation. Increased curb appeal and home value. One of the most visible benefits of custom window replacement is the aesthetic upgrade it provides. Windows are a key architectural element, and upgrading to custom designs can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal. Whether you're aiming for a more modern look or preserving the charm of a historic Little Rock home, custom windows allow you to choose styles, colors, and finishes that perfectly complement your home's exterior. Additionally, custom window replacement can increase the overall value of your property. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for homes with updated, energy-efficient, and visually appealing windows. Investing in custom windows not only enhances the beauty of your home but also boosts its marketability should you decide to sell. Long-term durability and reduced maintenance. Custom windows are typically built using higher quality materials than standard windows. This means they are more durable and better able to withstand the wear and tear that comes with time. Whether it's the harsh UV rays in the summer or the occasional freezing temperatures in winter, Little Rock's climate can be tough on windows. Custom windows are designed to handle these conditions, ensuring a longer lifespan and fewer repairs over time. Moreover, because they are made to fit perfectly and feature advanced materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, custom windows often require less maintenance than standard options. This means you'll spend less time dealing with issues like peeling paint, warped frames, or weather damage. Tailored to your preferences. One of the standout features of custom window replacement is the ability to fully personalize your windows to suit your taste and your home's needs. You can choose the exact style, glass type, frame material, and hardware finishes that work best for your home. Whether you prefer the classic look of double-hung windows or want the modern convenience of casement windows, custom options allow you to select what's best for your home's aesthetic and functional needs. Custom windows also provide flexibility when it comes to glazing options, such as tinted or UV-blocking glass, which can further enhance energy efficiency and reduce the impact of sunlight on your interior furnishings. Custom window replacement is the best choice for Little Rock homeowners who want a solution that fits their unique home perfectly, enhances energy efficiency, improves security, and boosts both curb appeal and property value. While the initial investment may be higher than standard windows, the long-term benefits far outweigh the costs. With improved durability, reduced maintenance, and the ability to fully personalize the design, custom windows are an investment in the future of your home. If you're considering window replacement for your Little Rock home, choosing custom windows ensures that you get the best possible fit, performance, and aesthetic appeal. It's a decision that will not only enhance your home's appearance but also provide lasting comfort and savings for years to come.